Hello, hello, hello to you, my people. Welcome, welcome, welcome back, welcome back. How are you? How are you doing? How are you doing? Today I am on the farm. My people, can I tell you? Most of the times I have been on the farm and it has been a whole lot of work, I tell you. So you may be wondering where I am and what's going on. But a lot is going on and I am on the farm. I am on the farm. Now it's a bright and sunny, beautiful morning. And if you look on the hillside on the Blue Mountain Range, it's a beautiful day here, I'm telling you. But as usual, it's a whole lot of work to do. But I am on it. I am at it. I'm telling you. So right here I have sweet basil. All right. So any of you know sweet basil? If you don't know, this is what it looks like. Beautiful. Now I am harvesting this morning and just decide to take you on the journey with me. Wonderful pear avocado tree right here. I've gotten a lot from it. Yes, most times they fall and I just pick them up. This is how we do it here. You can't climb the tree, so you just pick them up. Wonderful avocados, and you can have your avocados with your baked banana bread. That's what I have it most times with. Yes, and we have some more down there, but this is what I do because I can't climb the tree. It's too tall, as you can see. Yes, but it's a beautiful day here, and I'm so happy to be back with you again, my people. So, I started harvesting already. I got some nice planting. This one is not fit. Yes. But very soon, about 2 weeks time, I'll get some more fit planting. So this is the planting, and I got some right here. I already covered them, but I'm gonna allow you to see them. Beautiful, nice plantings here. So this is what is going on, my people. Already cut them and pack, and I have to have a helper because I can do all this by myself. All right. So I'm gonna show you what is going on down here. So right here there is the eggplant. So if you don't know the eggplant, this is what it looks like. So we have a big eggplant right here. Beautiful. And we have some pak choys as well. Harvested a lot of them. But just showing you what we got right here. And here we have the cucumbers. Now I started harvesting, my people, and it is a wonderful harvest. I'm telling you. Wonderful harvest. So here I have a lot in the tub already. And I am going to see how much more I get. I know I'm gonna get a lot more. See, I have some right here. So this is what is going on the farm, my people. So we have a whole lot right here. Just a beautiful day here on the skirts of the Blue Mountain Range, and today I am on the farm. Now, people, most times I am on the farm, and can I tell you that, man, these days I have so much to do. So if you see me absent for a little while on the channel, it's because of the amount of work sometimes that I have to do. Sometimes I get in so late, and from the farm to singing engagements, yes, to, having to go to different meetings and training session. Life is a whole lot, but I'm still happy to share it with you. All right. So thank you for following. Thank you for riding with me. Thank you for joining me. Today, as you can see, I'm getting a lot of cucumbers. Sweet, fresh, nice cucumbers. And harvesting so that I can carry them to deliver. Alright. Pack them all up, but I have to wash them as well. A whole lot. But that's alright. I have the help to carry them today. And sometimes, my people, sometimes it's hard to get the help. But I'm happy that today I have much help. Alright. And if you don't know what the blossom looks like, this is what the blossom looks like. The blossom of the cucumber looks like. This is the young one. That's what it looks like. And here we have some nice ones right here. So the farm is going on very well. Very well. And it's nice to see how the crops come lovely. It's nice to see. And I know the customers will even feel much more grateful because they're getting fresh produce from the farm. So thank you for joining me today, my people. Happy that I'm able to share with you, a beautiful day. God has given us the energy and the strength to work, and He has also blessed the farm. And the farm is yielding a lot. Yes, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you up close. All right, so this is what it is on the stem, and then just pick it from right there. All right. Picking some more, and my help is here, and he's right up there. See, oi. Yeah, man. A lot of cucumbers, so getting the help to carry up the stuff off the farm, my people.